What? Oh. Shit. Wait, who was the man in the other room that could hear? That's what got me weak. Get his feet.
I got him.
The feet is crossed. Once you cross them legs, I already knew what's going on here.
It's time.
Woo. All right. Okay. Now I know what to expect. Yeah. Oh, man. Oh.
Period.
Oh.
He said it's time.
What the hell? I got this big ass bun. This ain't open, but. Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. Whew. Okay.
Take a deep breath in and out.
Oh. Oh. Shit.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Man, my fingers all tingly. Ooh. Oh.
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 Oh. Ooh.
I love how you look at you with like
Yeah.
adoration, like this
Yeah, I did that. I did that. Yeah, you did do that.
You really can't.
It's been done. Woo. What you have to pay for school? This is scary. I be trying to do this at home, and I can't do it. Oh. 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 Oh.
Is that foot on the? It's the foot.
Oh. Oh man. Oh. Yep. That was it. Oh.
Exit.
Oh. What? Excuse me?
Deep breath in and out.
Oh. What? Oh. Shit. I don't even know which way to go after that. Oh, I can't do it. I'm dead. Whew. I am deceased. I felt that everywhere. What? Yeah, you deserve all your money. Oh. Uh-oh. I just dropped the mic.
Mic drop.
Mic drop. You said you married.
Yeah.
You got a wife, that's crazy.
I'm just saying, hey, Mom.